The world is in turmoil, and temperature-controlled air shipments are facing new challenges. Challenges that are now even more accentuated by the ongoing global pandemic. We, as market leader, want to drive this industry forward. Therefore, we collected and gathered input from hundreds of industry experts and stakeholders around the world to define the key needs to address the challenges. Here is what we learned. We started the development of a solution that could match these needs, a long and sometimes tough journey. But finally, the end result, the first true innovation since active containers. The Rely RLP, a revolutionizing three-pallet solution designed to meet the strictest requirements in pharmaceutical air freight. Thanks to our new innovative three-pallet structure and industry-leading loading height, the Rely RLP provides unsurpassed volume efficiency. The Rely RLP utilizes the latest technology to control airflow and protect your cargo during the most extreme conditions. Our new airflow curtain provides an additional layer of protection when the doors are opened. Validated sensors provide data for seamless live monitoring, control, and management. This allows you to continuously follow the status of your cargo and proactively intervene if needed. With an unsurpassed autonomy of 170 hours, our Rely RLP maintains temperature for over 1 week without recharging and indefinitely if recharged. The Rely RLP also provides outstanding environmental performance, delivering up to 90% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to available passive solutions. This is our promise for a state-of-the-art solution. The new Rely RLP. Simpler than passive, better than active.
Hello everyone. I am Vice Chairman Lee Seung-gyu of Korea Bio. I'd like to welcome you to Bioplus-Interphex Korea 2021 conference. At every deflection point of human history, there were diseases that have been prevalent, and in overcoming the diseases, the human race was able to grow further. We are now gripped with COVID-19, and this is another challenge that we need to overcome. Under the circumstances, you are behind the bio industry, and so that is why this year the bio industry will grow by leaps and bounds, and that is the expectation that I have. Since 2015, Korea Bio has hosted Bioplus. We look at the industry trend in Korea and abroad, and we look toward the future. And this is the flagship conference of bio industry in Korea. And starting last year, we partnered with Reed Exhibitions Korea, and we renamed the conference Bioplus-Interphex Korea, and we deal with all the sectors, including R&D, logistics, packaging, and we are providing such bio-convention forum. This year's conference is being held online because of the pandemic. And to make up for not being able to meet you face-to-face, we wanted to make this event as abundant as possible. And to make it special, we are having it in October and November, and we're having 4 conference days. And befitting the theme of fall is bio season, we have filled the conference with the hottest topics, and we want to provide you with a meaningful conference. On the first day, we are going to have the Bio Startup Day, in which we look at the policy issues and investment status. And so if you're interested in IPO and making inroads into the overseas markets, please do not miss today's sessions. And tomorrow, we are going to look at vaccine platform technology, next generation CAR-T therapeutics, and global global clinical sessions to look at the latest technologies in the bio industry. And on November 23rd, we're going to look at Bio Meets Digital, look at the innovations, and we have a special keynote lecture prepared by AWS. And on the last day, the 24th of November, we are going to look at the CMO and logistics trend. With Corona is upon us, so it's going to be different from pre-COVID-19. We are looking toward tomorrow with some hopeful expectations. We hope to see you offline next year, and we will now begin Bioplus-Interphex Korea 2021. To open this session, we have the IPO guide for Korea and U.S. investment. If you're awaiting approval in the second half or have been approved, then we believe that a similar number of companies will have succeeded in going public. And there are many Korean companies that are knocking on the doors of the NASDAQ, and it is of utmost interest whether the Korean bio companies can become the major players in the U.S. And now I'd like to invite Mr. Hwang Man-soon, who is the CEO of Korea Investment Partners, who is going to be the moderator of the session as well as the first presenter. Please, Mr. Hwang.